Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the buying process now. Open Questrade, pick the right account type for tax treatment, and verify your identity. Once approved, link your bank and send funds by EFT or bill payment so money settles. Make sure to decide between cash and margin trading, because that affects buying power and risks. Also check Questrade's commission and currency conversion details before you place an order. This reduces surprises and keeps your cost per trade predictable as you move on to picking the index exposure. You now pick the index fund that matches your goal, compare total market versus regional ETFs, and pay attention to MER, currency, and liquidity. Once you've chosen a ticker, use Questrade's symbol search to confirm trading currency and average volume, because thinly traded funds can widen spreads. Then choose your order type: market for speed, limit to control price, or set up recurring buys for dollar cost averaging. Make sure order quantity and currency are correct, and review estimated fees before you submit the trade. You've placed the order. Confirm the execution by checking fills, average price, and fees in your account activity. Once filled, set alerts, schedule automatic contributions, and plan a rebalancing cadence so your allocation stays aligned with goals. If something goes wrong, an order didn't fill or was rejected, first check that you had sufficient settled funds, that your limit price was realistic, and that the market was open. If uncertainty remains, contact Questrade support with the trade ticket number for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.